Another great way to get kids really enthused about programming is to start or join a computer club. So these are popping up more and becoming more and more popular. Computer clubs themselves are a great place for kids to meet other kids that are into programming, to share their ideas, to learn new skills. And many of them are run by volunteer groups, so they don't cost anything at all, and it's really a great place for you to work with your kids in an environment where the equipment is provided or you bring it along yourself, and you can really build on the skills that you've worked on at home. It's also a really great opportunity for kids to discover new projects and work on projects with other peers as well. So some great computer club or movements that are going on are Coder Dojo, which has clubs and volunteer-led groups all around the world now. And then there are also a number that are coming out of movements like Codecademy. So look in your local area for any computer clubs that might be going on. If you can't find any, groups like Coder Dojo give you everything you need to start your own. So there really is no reason you can't get your kids involved in these clubs, whether it be outside of school, as part of the school, or even on the weekends.